In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use beacons.ai. Now, Beacons AI is a multifaceted platform with link in bio features. You can also use it for website building. You can also post activities, audience management, email marketing, and you can host your online store. And then you can also design your brand kit as your media kit. You can do invoicing, create pricing calculators, and AI brand outreach. So it has quite a lot. The first thing you need to do is that you need to go and sign up for beacons.ai. So I'll click here, click on sign up. After signing up, you're brought to this particular page where you can add your Instagram links. So I'll just go ahead and add my link here. I'll add the link to this YouTube channel, and then I'll add my Twitter link or X. I'll go with this for now. I'm just going to click on next. And then it's going to tell me it's customizing my experience, and it's going to bring me to my dashboard. Now I'm brought to this page, and you can see automatically it's picking up the photo on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to say it looks good. And it uses their AI to generate this text. Can be a serial entrepreneur with over a decade experience, runs business where I think this is good. It's also picking this from my YouTube channel. I'm going to say next step, but you can edit this. You can click here and edit this. I'm just going to say done. I'm going to click on the next step. Now you see it's trying to add my social links, and it's showing me this preview, and it shows me my YouTube channel and brings me now to this page. Now from here, I could choose a theme color. If I want this background to be red, I'm going to choose that. If I wanted it to be this royal, I'll make it that way. If I wanted it to be green, I'll make it that. I'm just going to leave it to be black. Now, this is the default, font. I is using Poppins now, but you can use Montserrat. You can use Playfair Display. If I change that, look at how it looks. You can see this other one, the way it looks. This should be audio white. Now, mind you, you can change all of these on your dashboard. But since we are doing the onboarding process, we can just go ahead and check how it looks here. This is Space Mono. I think I'll just go with Poppins for now. And then I'm going to see done styling. Now you can click on the next page to see how it looks, portrait, and you can also use it as a banner. Now, if I go to the classic, this is how it looks. And if I go to the portrait, you see how it looks. My picture is a lot bigger there. And if I go to banner, you can see how it looks. I think I'll go with this banner. I'll say done styling. So it gives me my link, beacons.ai.donodio systems. I'm going to go to next. And it says earn money and grow more with Beacons. So you can sign on for the affiliate program, but you can also upgrade to their pro plan from here. So I'm just going to skip this from now. You can also get a domain name, a custom domain name from here, like donodiosystems.com. You can get that from here, or any other domain name you desire. You can get it from there and have your own link. I'm going to skip that for now. And it tells me welcome to Beacons AI. So all things being equal, it should redirect me. Are you interested in brand deals? Yes, I'll say yes, I'm interested in brand deals. Since I'm a YouTuber, maybe some of the tools I advertise, they may want to have brand deals with me. Your media kit is ready. I'll say next. Are you looking to sell on Beacons? I'll say yes. Or appointments, online courses, memberships. Yes, I'll say yes, activate my Beacon store. Now it's activated. It says my store is ready. I'll just say next. I'm not going to add any products for now. So I am on my website dashboard. Now, right off the bat, I'm shown these particular features. Set up your link in bio, add affiliate products, create a digital product, build your website, send an email, create a media kit. Now, we can start doing all of this from here, But we can also just come. Now let's explore Beacons Pro. First of all, you see the different options. You can use have zero seller fees on all sales, buy now, pay later using Klarna, offer bombs, that's order bombs rather, customized product links, URLs, courses with video hosting, that you host your videos on beacons. You can also ask for fan requests. You can also create a membership, that's a membership platform, sync multiple calendars via iCal, that's so that you don't get multiple bookings, unlimited email sends, audience engagement scores. You can give badges to particular audience members, email automations, geotagging email campaigns. That's you localize your emails to particular geographic locations, real-time analysis, and all this. Now, all of these are available if you are using, Beacons Pro, and you can integrate with Zapier, Mailchimp, and Zoom. Zapier is an automation platform. We'll just come to link in bio and website, and we can do a lot of customization here. Now you see the first thing is that you can get a free custom domain. That's on your own domain, no fees for the first year, which is going to be free. And you can also choose to remove the beacons logo. You can also integrate buy now, pay later, AI content generation, real-time analysis. What I want to do is that I want to come here. You see this header? We can turn off the header. And if we turn off the header, you see that picture is gone. Now I want to turn it back on. I want to click on this header. You can change the background image here. You can even change your picture, and then you can make this picture to be rounded, not a circle. I will leave it to be circular. For this banner, let's say I want to use something which is more techy. I could come to pexels.com. Since this is a channel for tutorials, tech tutorials, I'll just say tech. And you see, we have quite a number of background images here which we could use. If I choose to download this particular one, I will download it medium, let's just say large, so that it's going to cover my background. And then here, I could come here and I'll upload it from here. I'll go to my media, and it says I don't have any media files. I'll come back and I want to click on upload an image. So I'm going to pick this up from my computer and I'm uploading that. Now this is it. I could just adjust this image and click on accept. So it's resizing. You see now, this is what I have behind here, and it looks more techy. It really, reflects my image as a tech person. And then profile picture size, I could increase this for the profile picture. You could also reduce it. If I increase that, you see it increases. I'm just going to make it to be 175. And profile picture outline, you see there is this white outline here. I could take that off, and it's just the way it is. I'll leave that. I don't want that outline. Then display name, leave blank to reset. And this, it says bio. I could just see here, let's just see business way out. Now you see that it changes there. For this, actually this business way out should be here. I'll say download your tech, and business way out. And header text size, it's on large. We could make it a medium, we could make it small. I'll just make it large. Then here we have quite a number of links, which social icons which we could add. Here I could just see add and see admin or info at businesswayout.com. So it's going to add that to my email address. And then for TikTok, you could add the link there. For Instagram, you could also add the link there. So when you add any link, you will see it's going to be added here. The icon is going to be added here. For TikTok, if I just add this pound sign, you see it's been added there. That's for X rather, which is called X, which is formerly known as Twitter. And I could come to color palette. I could change my color palette. This is the current palette. I could change it to this. You see, it gives you this more feminine, more feminine look. If I change to this brown one, if I was selling coffee, I would use this. I'll just revert it. There are several palettes you could use. I could use this yellow one. Not really my style. Look at this. Not really my style either. Then this bluish, not really my style. I'll just revert to the original, which was this. So that is that. You can see from here that it's actually changed this. I don't like how it looks, but I'm not going to bother for now because I'm going to come and change that. And then it says page background. You could use a gradient, something like this. And you could make the gradient linear. You see the way it looks now. You could make it diagonal. You could make it linear or radial. You could add an image as the background instead. I'm going to use a solid color. And then where you see is background, I'm going to change this to black instead. Now we can do the customizations here. And then header, text, and icons, I'm going to make that white. And where it says link background, I'm going to make the links to be, no, I'll just make this to be black still. And where it says text, I'll leave the text to be white. Blocks, button background should be black. And then the button text should be white. And then this block, the background should be grayish, something of this sort. I could use it that way. And you can also add outlines. You can see use solid background color on desktop. So this is how you can customize all of this. And the block style, you could make it's now rounded, but I could make these blocks to be square at the corners. This is full width. I'll make this to be square. I think it's better if it's rounded. Then the block transparency, you can increase the transparency. So you're going to be clearly seeing what is behind. I'll make this to around 30. And the font, we use pop-ins. You can change that from here. Do you want a pop-up page? That's, let's say, to promote a product. You can add that here, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And then show share icon. Yes, I'm going to leave that. Now, where he asks you, show subscribe button, yes. Now, hide beacons logo and footer on logo and footer. I'm not going to try to hide that because this is actually your referral link. This is actually your referral link. And in order for you to do this, you need to be on the pro plan. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Now, what I could do instead is that coming back up here, you could choose to add more social icons. Let's say you want to link to Pinterest or you want to link to some other social platform. You could do that here, add social. Here, where it says header text, you could also add your logo instead of the header text. You upload your logo from here. I'll leave it to be header text for now. And if I come to this websites tab, you see you can get started building your website from here. If I click on get started, it's going to show you a number of website templates which you can use right off the bat. So these are quite a number of them. And you could just use all of these website templates right off the bat. But we don't want to build a website from now. We just want to use the link in bio page. We are going to add a lot of elements to it. So I'll just X out of this for now. Now, if I step back in time and I come here, you see it. We have all the links or the available blocks here. You can see this is the header, this entire section. We have the links. These are the links here. And then we have email sign up. Email sign up, this is it. These are the links here. We can add more links. This is email sign up. And then this is our store. So if I come to store, first thing I will do is that I can click here and it's going to prompt me to add a digital product. Let's see if I want to add a product. I could click here. I could also add appointments. Let's say people companies can book one-on-one appointments with me. And then I could also add a course. So if I click on the digital product, it brings me here and it says introducing the product builder. I'll say, let's go. Now I'll add my product image here. Let's just see if it's a course. Let's just say mentorship course, a digital product, like a mentorship course, or maybe anything, a SaaS product or anything. I'll just click here on SaaS. SaaS. I hope these are free. Okay. I will download this. So coming back here, I could change this particular picture. I'll click on next. I will say add image. I'll upload. And then this is it. It's uploaded. I want this to be the product image. This is going to be the product image. I'll click on accept. You can change the aspect ratio here to something like this. You could change to this or 3:1. I'll just make it 1:1, a square image. I'll click on accept. It's resizing. I just added it here. And then I could see maybe this is a digital product like a SaaS product or anything or an ebook. I'll see digital mastery. Have I forgotten English? Ebook. That's how to spell ebook. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I could also change the price. Let's say I want this to be $29.99. So $29.99. And then the button here, you could change it to buy now or get this. And you could also change the text here. Get my ebook or template or whatever. You could change all of this text here. Mind you, you are going to have to add your payment gateway. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to click on next here, next here, next, and next. So this is how it's going to be. And when the person clicks on get this, it's going to take them where they are going to purchase your digital product. Now, if I click on this here, I'll click on this get this. That's the call to action button. And it's the same here, get this. And you are going to host your product on this particular platform. So I'll click on next. You can add sections here. I'm just going to click on next. At least one file URL is required to list your product. Okay, so if I have this on, let's see, my Google Drive, I could add it here. If I see, let me edit this URL. Oh, I can't edit the URL because I'm on the free plan. But what you could do in effect is that you add your product here. And one other thing you need to do is to upload your product files. I'm going to upload the file. And that's it. Or you can add a link, let's say, to something like your Google Drive or something of that sort. So I'm just going to add this. That's the product. So now that the product is added, I'm going to go to next. And it's going to show. They're asking me list your product on my store, yes. And then I'll list this product. Now the product is listed. So it's asking me to view this on my link in bio. I'll click on that and view it. So this is my product. And it tells me payment not set up. I'm going to add that. So this is the product as it's been added on my link in bio. So that is that. You can add another product. And now I can set up payments here. I could connect my PayPal. I'll just click on connect. And I'm going to connect it and get back to you. I have gone ahead and added my payment gateway. So it's here. If I go to my account, go to settings and go to payments, you see it's connected. I don't know why it's not showing here, but it's actually connected. It's actually connected. If I reload this, it's supposed to be showing connected. You can also add your bank account or your Stripe. I'll come back to the website builder. Now that the store is set up, I'll click here. it still shows me payment not set up. I don't know, that must be a beacons bug. The other thing we could do is that if I come back, we can add a block. You see all of these are blocks. This email sign up is a block. All of these are blocks. This social media area is a block. If I come back, I could add a block. And there are quite a number of things you could add to your blog. Take, for example, you can add your Instagram feed, you can add your YouTube feed, you can add more links, you can add store, media kit support, appointments, and things like that. SMS sign up. There is a lot you can add here. What I want to do is that I can add another link block. So here it tells me to add link. I'll just add my website. I'll say https dev.nodeo.com. I'll add that. That is my website. You could add the logo here. It's going to actually pick up the logo. Now I need to change this logo for my website. And I could add another link here. Let's see, another page. I'll just pick up this Belgium. And I'm going to see, you could add affiliate links here. Or add this, that. Then if I add it, you see it's going to pick up the logo. And for the title, I'll say Get Belgium. Here, I'm going to see my website. So that is that. So the Belgium, I was thinking it was going to pick up the logo, but it didn't. So if I just search for Belgium logo, I could just use this. I'll save that, save image as. I'll save that. And I'm going to add the image here. I'm going to upload that. So that is the Belgium logo. You can add your affiliate links here. You can add more links. So that is that. I want to come back here. And let's, mind you, for these links, you can change the layout. Let's say you could make this to be a carousel. You can see them on each side. You could make them a card. I think I'll leave them as a card, as you see here. I'll come back to, and for settings too, you can add a title to this area. See, vital links. You see, it gives it a delimiting header here, which shows that this is something different. Now, if I come back, I can come back here. I want to add another block. And here, I possibly want to add a video. Let's say I want to add one of my videos. And it's going to say youtube.com/embed/id. If you just copy a YouTube link and bring it here, it's not going to work. So I'll just copy https. No, let me remove that. youtube.com/embed. Okay, I'm going to say https youtube.com/embed. And then I'm going to have to pick up an ID. So if I come to YouTube, now I'm on this video on my channel. I want to show you how to pick that ID. I'll click on share, and you see everything after youtube.be or whatever, youtube.be. That's the ID. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm just going to put a /, and then I'll paste that. And you see it's going to bring that video here. I'll just click on save, and you can now see the video here. And for the layout, we can add several videos. Let's say if I come back to my channel, I want to pick another video. Let's say this particular one, to build a mobile app for free. If you haven't watched this video, please go and watch it. I'll click on that, and I want to come on the work platform to create all manner of forms. I'll just pause that. What you may not, and this is the link. I'll copy this again. I'll copy that, and if I come here to these videos, there is no way to duplicate this. I'll just click on Add new video. Same thing, https://youtube.com/embed/ okay, am I doing the right thing? https www. Okay, I will delete that, and then I'm going to paste that there, and you now see we have two videos. Now for the layout, we could make them to be a carousel so you can see them sliding. If we add another video, you will see it there. For the headline, let's say YouTube, or let's say our videos or my videos. And you can now see how it looks there. So if I come back here, just hit enter. If I come back here, I could add another block and add something else. You probably want to add some images, or you want to add your Instagram feed or support, or you want to give people the opportunity to book appointments. You can click on that. I'll click on appointments, and I'm going to change the title. Let's see, this is a 1 hour coaching. I'll remove that. A 1 hour coaching and consultancy one-on-one call with me. So that's it. And then you could put the button text and say book appointment. I'm going to change the title here. For some reason, I'm unable to change the title. This must be a bug. Book appointment. Okay, I've exhausted my text. Let me just click on this. So I'm going to change the title from here. I'll see 1-on-1 coaching. So that is 1-on-1 coaching. And I'm going to click on next. It's been saved. I'll go back. And if I go back to my linkinbio website, so you see here it is, 1-on-1 coaching. So that is that about this. You can add as many blocks as you desire. The next thing we want to do is that we want to go to marketing. And this is where you can set up and build your email strategy. We're going to click on try for free. And we want to click on automations, not broadcast, but automations, so that it happens when some other thing happens. Now we have a number of templates here. Now I'm brought to this screen with templates. I can use this, let's say, to send freebies. And I can also use this for sales nurturing funnels. But I will not use any of these. I want to start from scratch. So I'm going to click on start from scratch. And I'm going to click on add plus new automation. Actually, I'll come back to start from scratch. You see, it's a bit buggy, and it's going to ask me start condition. I want to say after someone purchases a product, and then I want to choose this particular product or any of them for that matter. When someone purchases any of them, then what should happen? I will leave this as it is. I'm going to click on save, and it's going to bring us here. So we have this particular email, which is still in draft. If I click on these three dots, you see I could duplicate this. I could also use it as a draft, but I'll just click on the email for now. And it says introducing the email editor. I'll say let's go. I'm going to give this email a title. I'll say purchase onboarding. And then for the subject line, I'll say thank you or thanks purchasing exclamation mark. And yeah, I could, you see, well, You got it. Now take it. I'll click on save. Sometimes this glitches, so I'll just click on this again, and I want to go to design. You see, sometimes it glitches. It glitches sometimes. I'll click on save. When it comes back here, I'll click on this again and then still click on design. What I simply did is that I clicked on design and then I clicked back and it brought me here. Sometimes it glitches. Let's just be patient with them while they work on improving things. Now here, I could choose my palette. I'm just going to turn this off. I'll add a block and I'll add a text block. I'll say Audi, and then I'm going to add on personalize. I'm going to add first name. Come back here, go down and see your legend. You're a legend because you just purchased my course. Yes, the download link below. I'll see full access and see, don't forget to write us in case you have any issues viewing the course. All right, so I'm going to link this to the course. I'm just going to put a pound there. So that's the link, or I'll just say youtube.com and confirm. I could also add, I could still add another block here. Let's say you want to put a video or something of that sort, like the video we had, add video. No, not video. I want to add a video. I could add a video thumbnail, upload that. Let's just see, I could still use this as a video thumbnail. So that is that, accept. But the video itself, video title, I'll say getting yes. Somehow I'll say watch this video. Learn to persuade. For some reason, I'm unable to add the link. Okay. The link should be here. Add a valid URL. No, not that. I'll delete the. Yes, so I'm going to click on this. Watch video, description, URL. For some reason, I'm unable to add the URL. It should be somewhere around here. Okay, add links to your video. Well, I'll just delete this for now. And then I want to add the link. Watch video. All right, I see the link here, hidden in plain sight. I'll just paste the link there. And that's it. So the link has been saved. If they click on this video, it's going to take them to where they can, they can watch the video. I'm going to click on next. And then I'm just going to click on save. So you see, it says purchase onboarding. And this is the email that my customer, my clients are going to receive. What I need to do now is just to activate the automation. And that's it. Somehow, it doesn't pick up the title here. So if I come back here, I'll just name this. I'll just go to next. I'll edit that. And then it should show the title right now. It should show the title. So that is that. Now, the next thing we can do is that we can review how to do email broadcasts. So we've used automations. I'll come back to marketing. And then here you have broadcast. I'm going to click on that. Want to send a broadcast message. Let's say we have an email list and we want to send them a message for email marketing, probably maybe once a month, or we have a product, we want to do a promo. You see, we have quite a number of templates here, which we can use for our email. So if I go to promotion, and you can see all of these templates. If I click on this particular one, I'll just click on use template and it's loading. You can use it as it is and just do some minor customizations. Mind you, of course, you can add items, you can delete items. Take, for example, here, I could choose to add another block and add something like a free download, and then I'm going to have to add it here. But in our case, I don't want to use all of this. I'm just going to delete all of these. I'll delete all of this. If I click on this, I'll delete everything right now. I've deleted everything. I want to start from scratch. I'm going to click on add a block, and I'm going to see, I'll just add a text block, and I'll see here, and I want to add a personalization, of course, first name, and then I'm going to see, have you heard we are running a new December or Christmas, because as at the time I'm recording this is approaching Christmas, is December, a Christmas promo for our high value clients like you. Click the link below to get access to this mega bonus. This is a one in a lifetime deal. Yes, and I'm going to see, click the link. Okay, I'll see, get it here, and then I'm going to add the link here. Let me just say I'm going to put any link, youtube.com, and then I'm going to confirm that. You could make this bold, could make that bold, and the background of this, I could change it to be pure white or to be any color. You could make it to be this, as long as it's not distracting. So for that, I'm going to see next. The subject line will be mega promo, and here I'm going to see, have you heard already, and continue to add recipients. Now you can add recipients, you can add by location. Let's just see, I could see New York. You could add New York City. Maybe this is just for New York City, and you can add that. You can also add groups if you have them. I've not added any group yet. You can create a group. Let's say people who subscribed at a particular time, and then you can add emails, particular emails, and do that. In my case, I want to remove this, and let's just see, I want to add, let's say, a group. I'm not able, I think I need to create that on the back end. But for emails, if you have an email list, you can see it on groups here. For location, you can do that too. Let's just see, I want to add this to a particular email address. I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to continue with review and send a text message. So I've added that email address, and I can either send now or I can schedule. I could schedule this email, or let's say anytime like this. I'll click on schedule broadcast, and it has been scheduled. So you can edit the email from here. You can cancel the scheduled email. You can duplicate, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And you can see it on mobile, and you can see it on desktop. So I'll just send a test email. I'll send a test email, and I'm going to check my email address to see if I've received the email already. Unfortunately, I have still not received that particular email. So I think it's going to come at a much later time. I'm just going to close all of this. And I want to go back to link in bio and website. So this is your link. This is your shareable link. If I open this in new tab, you're going to see my website. It still has this. You see, it's quite beautiful. This is more beautiful than most websites you're going to see. And if I copy this, I can send it to anybody I desire, to anyone, and they can view my website, especially on their phones. And this is a share button. They can share my link to any platform they so desire. So all in all, that is how to use Beacons AI. I'm going to create separate tutorials for each of these features to go in depth on each of them. But if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified when I put out videos like this. God bless you. Peace.